Hello. Okay. It's currently 2:25 p.m. um Pacific Central Time, Pacific Standard Time, 2:25 p.m. Um, this is my project so far. Both task one and task two. Starting off with task one, we need to and I'll share my screen. We'll start with reading out the instructions here. Um, yeah. Deploy web server. Um, so sorry. Sure. So yes, let's share. We already created the web server and we ran the commands. Share my screen. Sure. Okay. So we ran the commands. Ran the commands up here. Yes. And consequently, this was the output. Our index.html, which is, I believe, is this one? Yes, this one. Right. Um, so task one was done. And then we go over to task two, which had us creating a multi-container setup, serverless clients. Um, Here is my code or not my code, but I will show you an execution sequence of um, task two. Yes. Let's see. Okay. Let's go Docker compose of build. And so we're going to build what we've worked on. And we can see building right there. Created, clients who are running. And yeah, it's currently being built. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, that's it right there. Server is running. If we exit this, Control C, just in case you can't see commands. Uh, I could also do another Control C for force quit, force stop, but we could be patient for a couple of minutes. Perfect. And now after that, we will do Docker compose down. Mhm. That's a working. Yeah. We need. Yeah. Yeah. And we're gonna show here too, just our cool kit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you the files I have in here. Uh, so we have our Docker file. That's the first. This first Docker file is a test one. First, we go into our project one, and we have our Docker Compose, and we have our server. We go into our server. You can see the Docker file and the server part. If you want to see what the Docker file is made of, it's, to the comments I have. That's the code itself. Then we can exit with this and also take a look at our server code, source code for our server. And it's a bit lengthy, but not too much. Yeah, yeah. And all of these run together. So yeah, they run together. So yeah, that is my demonstration and just me showing my work, what I've done so far. Cheers.